Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Resident Evil 4 on any Windows PC or laptop. Let's get started. When the Steam website loads, click the Install Steam button at the top of the page. Then click the blue Install Steam button to download the installer. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Steam on your computer. After Steam is installed, launch it and sign in to your Steam account. If you don't already have one, you can create a new account for free. Now, click the search bar in the top right corner of the Steam window and type Resident Evil 4. Select Resident Evil 4 from the search results to open its store page. On the games page, you can scroll down to learn more about the game, check the system requirements, and view screenshots and trailers. When you're ready, click Add to Cart, then select View My Cart. After that, click Continue to Payment. Choose your preferred payment method, review your order, agree to Steam's terms if prompted, and complete the purchase. Once your purchase is successful, Resident Evil 4 will be added to your Steam library. Open your library, select the game, click Install, choose an installation location if needed, and Steam will begin downloading and installing the game automatically. That's it. Once the installation is finished, click Play and enjoy Resident Evil 4 on your PC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you